In this video we are going to review the American-made Apache, arguably one of the best attack helicopter ever made. The Apache is a twin-engine Army attack helicopter developed by Boeing. The Apache was first used in combat in 1989 in the U.S. military action in Panama. It was used in Operation Desert Storm and has supported low-intensity and peacekeeping operations worldwide. The U.S. Army has more than 2,000 Apache in service. Per unit cost of the latest variant is around $36 million. The first of the upgraded Block II Apaches was delivered to the U.S. Army in February 2003. Block II included upgrades to the digital communications systems of 96A model Apaches to improve communications within the tactical internet. In October 2007, Boeing delivered the first extended Block II to the U.S. Army. The AH-64D is armed with the Lockheed Martin, Boeing AGM-114D Longbow Hellfire air-to-surface missile, which has a millimeter wave seeker which allows the missile to perform in full fire and forget mode. Range is 8 km to 12 km. The Apache can be equipped with air-to-air missile Stinger, AIM-9 Sidewinder, Mistral and sidearm, and the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System APT. A 30mm automatic Boeing M230 chain gun is located under the fuselage. It provides a rate of fire of 625 rounds a minute. The helicopter has capacity for up to 1,200 rounds of ammunition. The Apache is equipped with 2 turboshaft engines, each providing 1,265 kilowatts. The American AH-64D has General Electric T700 GE701 engines, and the UK Apache is fitted with RDM 322 engines from Rolls-Royce. The AH-64 Apache can climb at a rate of 889 meters per minute. The maximum and cruise speeds of the helicopter are 279 kilometers per hour. The ferry range and service ceiling of the helicopter are 1,900 kilometers and 6,400 meters respectively. The Northrop Grumman millimeter wave longbow radar. The longbow fire control radar incorporates an integrated radar frequency interferometer for passive location and identification of radar emitting threats. Overall, the American Apache is a formidable beast armed with advanced avionics and a killer longbow system that make it superior to other aircraft of this type. Thank you for watching. Please support our content by subscribing and joining our notification squad.